Hi, I'm Mike Den Hartog with Florida Drone Supply. I wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and how we can help you with some of the great training and educational services, both in the area of complimentary and paid training that we offer here at Florida Drone Supply. Florida Drone Supply, of course, can supply you with your equipment, but did you also know that we can help coordinate FAA safety seminars at your location or help train and develop your internal drone program? I've had many hats in my life, but I've settled down here at Florida Drone Supply as both the company product expert and the Tampa area FAA Safety Team Lead Drone Pro. As a personal background, I started flying manned aircraft before I could actually see over the dash and got my pilot's license the day before my driver's license. My formal education, I attended Miami-Dade College, Central Missouri State University, and the FAA Academy in Oklahoma City. I received degrees and certifications in aviation management, pro pilot, air traffic control, and I obtained my manned pilot ratings and flight instructor training while in this formal education. I then, post 9/11, worked for the FAA Air Traffic Organization, later working event and emergency management. For many years now, Florida Drone Supply has been helping drone operators across the country get the most out of their drone and UAV programs. That is why they brought me in to help expand on that and expand our mission to help each of our clients find the right drone for their needs. Regardless of where you get your drone equipment, we want to provide our years of experience in the drone industry to make sure you maximize the UAS potential for your program. Florida Drone Supply wants to be your first point of contact for all your drone and UAV related services and equipment. As an Autel, Parrot, and DJI certified drone retailer, Florida Drone Supply not only offers the latest drone technology as soon as it is available, but also provides many useful training support services to help you get your program off the ground. I'm happy to come to you and offer free product demonstrations so you can fly before you buy, or help you decide which drone is the right fit for your organization. We can also come join you on training exercises and let you fly our aircraft to see if the technology is the right choice for your program before you're committed to it. We also are happy to sponsor the local FAA safety team, allowing them to offer to you at no cost FAA approved safety seminars and training at all levels to your team on drone regulatory procedures and policies as they are truly evolving daily. As an FAA safety team leader and certified FAA instructor, you can be sure that your frontline workers and pilots are flying safely and in accordance with the latest FAA safety standards, as well as knowledgeably interfacing with the public on current regulations and limitations. With new regulations coming out, emergency responders will have new tools available to them and need to understand how to properly use them and how to navigate this new regulatory structure. Either way, I am here and available to help. And if I don't know the answer, I can reach out to my upline support here at Florida Drone Supply, the industry leaders, or the FAA directly and get the answers for you. And if you're new to drones or just now starting to build a drone program from the ground up, we can also help there too by providing drone program startup guidance that will help you navigate that process. We'll help determine the best course of action for your program, whether it's certifying your pilots under Part 107 or submitting the needed documents to obtain the appropriate COAs and waivers from the FAA. So if you have any questions about any of the services we offer, please reach out to me directly or have your training officers reach out to me to set up some UAS training. If you'd like to schedule a UAS safety seminar or in-person product demonstration in your area, we're happy to coordinate. Just please don't hesitate. You can reach me directly at 239-533-0072 or by email at mdenhartog@floridadronesupply.com. You can also find us on the web, www.floridadronesupply.com, or call the offices here at 855-8-DRONES. Thanks for watching, take care, and God bless.